In a forest, there lived a flock of birds that showed a diverse variety of colors, from yellow to green to blue, orange. The flock was as colorful as the rainbow. They all knew how to fly, except for one young yellow bird who was still learning and practicing its first flight. The yellow bird was very scared and afraid of flying. Along with her friends, she would practice flying daily. Her friends were eager and curious as they patiently waited for that one day when their friend would finally fly. The yellow bird knew everything about flying, but the only thing that kept her back was the lack of confidence and the immense fear of flying. Who would teach her to overcome her fears? Few bluebirds of the flock were very mischievous. They loved poking fun and mocked the yellow bird for being unable to fly. The yellow bird felt embarrassed and upset by the way she was being laughed at by the bluebirds. Her parents would often try to motivate her and tell her to try to overcome her fears. Her parents were very supporting and always inspired her. Her friends never liked the way the bluebirds would treat the yellow bird. Her friends also motivated her, but she always was taken by her never ending fear. Once a large, vicious eagle from the neighborhood flew to the forest. The yellow bird and her friends were practicing their daily lessons. When they looked up, they saw the eagle approaching them, its large wings spread out. The eagle had the birds as targets. The eagle was ready to prey on the birds. The birds immediately flew to their respective nests to hide, leaving the flightless yellow bird behind. The yellow bird was out all alone to face the eagle. She didn't know what to do. She wanted to fly like her friends and escape. The eagle was getting closer and closer. The horror of the eagle was so much more than her fear of flying. It was at this moment when she spread out her wings and took her first flight. She flew into the open sky away from the approaching eagle. Her parents saw her flying. They felt so proud. Her friends were also very happy for her. From that day onwards, the yellow bird was not afraid anymore. No one could stop her from flying. Thus, we should also overcome our fears and learn to face them with bravery and courage.